Hi, I'm Jackie Tull, the Makerspace manager at Swarthmore College. The Makerspace launched in 2018 and is located in Whittier Hall, rooms 109 to 113. The Makerspace is an open and communal facility with resources for making, including tools for digital, mechanical, and manual fabrication. It is a testing ground for creative innovation where students can explore traditional crafts like woodworking and sewing, or digital fabrication using our 3D printers, laser cutter, and water jet cutter. Faculty can integrate Makerspace resources into their courses, turning theoretical concepts into tangible objects. The Makerspace also hosts a variety of workshops and webinars. Some of our past workshops have included lumber milling, 3D printing, 3D scanning, laser cutting, woodshop safety training, and sewing. We encourage experimentation, collaboration, and passion projects. Steps that we are taking to ensure a safe return to the Makerspace include mask wearing requirements, a reservation system to limit capacity and maintain social distancing, sanitation protocols, and increased online programming. For more information, please visit the Makerspace website and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We look forward to seeing what you create.